Okay, now let's look at reindexing. Okay, so we have df1. So let's change ARR2 to make sure there are no duplicates. Okay, so there are no duplicates. So now we can say now you reindex and well, reindex is not permanent, so df1 doesn't, if you just print it again, it doesn't work. So you have to, I don't know whether reindex has in place. So if you're not sure whether in place is there or not, you can say type in INP and type tab. If in place shows up, then you know that in place is one of the possible options. It doesn't have in place here, so reindex is not permanent, and if you want the new index, then you have to capture it as a new data frame. Okay, you can select subset of rows. Okay, so if you do df1 dot reindex, okay, and then give list of indexes that you want, okay, so it will then give you only those rows. These are all rows. Okay. And you can rearrange column names with reindex. Okay, df1 reindex, right? And since rows are assumed, if you want columns, then you have to specify columns equal to, and you give a new df1. Okay, so it will rearrange the column order. Okay, now if you want to drop a column, then remember we did the drop before, so df1 drop. Okay, now drop is going to assume that it is axis 0 is the default. If you want column, you have to say, so if you say x3, then x3 is gone. Of course, remember this is not permanent. And if you want to drop a column, you have to specify it, and we already did this before. So drop, right? You want drop the state, then you have to say axis equal to 1. That's gone, and once again remember it is not permanent. Okay, so let's indexing, selection, and filtering. Indexing works. Okay, if you give only one, then it's the rows, right? So from the beginning till 3 not inclusive, right? And you can give the index labels to select, in which case it is inclusive. Okay. And so you can use implicit or explicit with the index labels like this. All right, let's stop here and we'll pick up lock and iLock next time.